Hello everyone, and welcome to our video series. I'm your host, Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's episode, we'll be delving into the real-world challenges and successes that come with managing a maintenance team. Our special guest, Peter Funk, will be sharing his journey, experiences, and key insights. So if you're in operations or maintenance and looking for ways to shake things up, stay tuned. You're about to learn from someone who's been there, done that, and is still finding ways to innovate. Peter Funk is the reliability manager at Rehrig Pacific's Kansas location. They are a company that makes injection molded plastic pallets as well as recycling and waste containers. At this particular facility, they have 8 injection molding machines and over 200 pieces of auxiliary equipment. Peter got started in maintenance and reliability essentially from achieving his bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering. His first role was in machine design, and from there he gained a great appreciation for the knowledge and insight of the maintenance folk who he worked with. They were a tremendous help in making his project successful from day one. Peter shares his journey into the manufacturing world and how he found it dynamic and ever-changing, keeping every day new and exciting. He believes that manufacturers owe it to themselves to offer more tours to the public, to get people coming in, to reach out to youth groups, and get more people exposed to it. Peter shares his first experience with maintenance and reliability was during an internship with Kimberly-Clark, making toilet paper. He was taken on a tour of the facility and was amazed at the speed and complexity of the operation. This experience changed his perspective and set him on his career path. When asked about what reliability means to him, Peter says that reliability is about being prepared. It's about having the machines and assets prepared to make money to suit the customer's needs and achieve the efficiencies that they are designed to do. It's also being prepared for the worst-case scenario. Failures are inevitable in this world, and so we need to make sure we're prepared to handle them when they do occur, both in the equipment we have on hand, the spare parts we carry, and then also the training of our people. Peter shares how Rehrig and his team have evolved in terms of reliability over the past several years. They started with a fairly standard time-based maintenance system, and then developed a roadmap to transition to a more condition-based maintenance system. He credits the Society of Maintenance and Reliability Professionals as a fantastic source of information and a good place to start for anyone wanting to learn more about the industry. One of the initiatives that Peter is most proud of is the implementation of UpKeep. It's been a game changer for them, allowing them to evolve and grow down their path with it. It allows them to take things in steps and become super acclimated at using the individual features and tasks before they start adding onto that list. Peter shares that changing the culture of a team to move from reactive to proactive and really truly embrace this idea of reliability is all about patience and just taking it a little bit at a time. It takes a lot to change culture, especially when you have an established maintenance team that may have 20+ years in one single facility and maybe more after that or before that. When asked about his 3 wishes for his maintenance team, Peter wishes he could clone every single person on his team, invent more time for them to get the training they need to evolve themselves and their work, and buy them all a bigger fishing boat. Peter shares that their team's mantra is always bettering our best. No matter what you're doing, try to do it better than the last time you did it. This mantra comes up on a topic-based manner and helps them to constantly strive for improvement. Peter shares a story about how his team has made an impact at Rehrig. They've taken on several improvement projects over the years, most specifically just working with their general 5S and cleanliness of their plant. The maintenance and the engineering team have gone above and beyond to make their facility look as good as it can. Peter wishes more people knew what a challenging and rewarding career maintenance and reliability can be. He believes it's a fantastic career path for people who find themselves more technically inclined, liking to work with their hands. Finally, when asked about resources for new folks wanting to dip their toes into maintenance and reliability, Peter recommends just using Google. He believes there are so many great publications out there, and within the first couple of links, you'll find something that works for you. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. We want to thank you for spending your time with us, and a special thanks to Peter Funk for sharing his journey and insights. We've learned about the importance of being prepared, the transition from a time-based to a condition-based maintenance system, and the impact of a proactive culture in a maintenance team. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful discussions like this one. To learn more about our services and how we can help your maintenance team, visit UpKeep.com. Thank you again for tuning in, and we look forward to having you with us in our next episode.